Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to get Siri to pronounce your name correctly on iPhone and iPad. A lot of my friends' names are hard to pronounce, so Siri completely obliterates the pronunciation, and it can get annoying after a while. It's actually really easy and quick to change how Siri pronounces names. Comment down below if you have any suggestions for videos I should make in the future, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So I've got this name here, and as you can see it's really hard to pronounce, so Siri messes it up pretty badly. The first thing you want to do is tell the name to Siri to bring up the contact. From there say, that's not how you pronounce it, and record the name how it should be pronounced. You can select whichever pronunciation you want, and then you're going to do the same thing for the last name. If none of the pronunciations are correct, just tap Tell Siri again. That's really all you need to do, and now Siri will say your name correctly. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.